impressed that you got your paralegal, and we were talking previously about someone that you were able to get out 5 years early. Now, I was able to do a little prison lawyering myself and help someone get out early, but this is impressive. Tell us about it.
Well, a guy came to me. His name is Jamal. He was in the Commonwealth Court. He tried to dispute his green sheet. His green sheet said that, hey, you're not
And
even
the
up
green
for
sheet
parole
is?
from the parole board, saying that you either are going to go home or you are going to get a hit. And on his green
Which is a
sheet,
setback where you would have to do more time?
correct. Yeah, you would
Okay.
have to do another year in in prison. Well, he got one that said that he wasn't eligible for parole yet because, as we all know, that a marshal application could be filed every year, and the parole board has to come and see you. This pursuant to the law. What happened is that I said we're not going to go into the Commonwealth Court because they'll win. Um, the parole board has the right to recalculate your sentence. So I said, well, let's argue that part of the plea that you negotiated included that 5 years back time that you owed, and the judge agreed to it, and they sentenced you to
And
it.
this is time the gentleman had already served, correct?
Correct. But he served on parole. They wanted to
Mm-hmm.
pull it back and make him do it again. So we filed a PCRA. We got it before the judge, Larry Krasner, the DA here, and Larry Krasner said that, hey, yeah, I agree with you, that that time should be taken off. He called him down and resentenced him, taking off that 5 extra years.
That's nice.
And I told him, while you're there, because we knew that he already had a win. I told him, well, since you didn't get paroled in the last 3 years, I said you should get automatic parole, and you should ask him, because it's essentially that you got 3 parole hits. So he brought that up also, and they said, yeah, we'll put in a recommendation with the parole board that you get released right away.
So there was 3 different times that this gentleman went to the parole board and got a setback. So this gentleman had that happen to him 3 times, and you were able to get him out. What a blessing.